Boolean logic in Pandas is returning KeyError, true. I'm trying to use a select statement to drop all rows from a date frame where the values in a certain column don't begin with 126.1. An example of my data set is I want to filter out all RA values that do not begin with 126.1. I use this. Where data2 is my data frame. It is returning the error, KeyError, true. How can I fix this?
There's a lot wrong with. To begin with, is not will evaluate to true or false, but you are trying to create a Boolean array for selection, so right off the bat this is misguided. Second, you should never use is to compare str object to begin with. For these sorts of string manipulations on pandas.series objects, there are built-in vectorized methods accessible through .str which mimic the built-in string methods. So given you could use and simply combine that with Boolean indexing.
Take a look at the .str method, which is available on any Pandas series, which is what the columns of the data frame are. It supports regular expression syntax. I often search for what I don't want and then negate it with the tilde. Like this.
이건 제가 있잖아. 이 선생님한테 액세서리.